My name is Christiana and I'm going to be reviewing the Early Bird Morning Cocktail. It's supposed to be a coffee replacement. So basically how it works is you take a scoop and you put it in your shaker that you get when you make your order, and then you leave it overnight, and in the morning as soon as you wake up you can drink that, and it's supposed to give you energy. So I'm gonna be drinking this and test out how it works. I decided to put it in a glass so you can see what it looks like. So you can see it's separated here overnight. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit and then I'll drink it. So the flavor is pretty interesting. I actually like it. It's sort of sweet. It has a citrusy taste, so I think it's pretty good. So we'll see how it works. So I'm back for an update about the morning cocktail, and I'm very impressed with it because it's been a few hours since I drank it, and it's dark out right now, and I'm feeling very energetic. Usually if I don't have any coffee, by now I feel super sleepy and tired, but I'm very high energy, so I'm loving how this works. I didn't get any jitters when I originally drank it, which was nice. I'll test it again tomorrow and another time the day after, just so I can see if it actually works. But today it seems very good. I'll update you tomorrow. Hello, I'm back for an update today. I'm going to be drinking the morning cocktail again, and we'll see if it works again. Hello, I'm back for an update about the morning cocktail. So it's working really well again. Today I decided not to have any food after drinking it to see if it works if you don't have food energy. And I'm feeling pretty energetic, not as energetic as yesterday, but I'm still high energy, so it's working very nicely today as well. And I'll try it again tomorrow for a third test, but it seems very good. Hello, so I'm back for my final day of testing the morning cocktail. I'm gonna drink it later today. So it's actually already dark out right now, and I'm gonna drink it and see how long it kicks in. I just want to see what the difference is between this drink and caffeine. Usually I feel coffee giving me energy pretty quickly, and I'm curious how fast this would work when you need to have extra energy. So I'll test it and I'll come back to say all my thoughts about it. I forgot to mix it. Hi, I'm back. So it's been 30 minutes since I drank the morning cocktail, and I feel much more focused and energetic. So now I'm gonna share a few thoughts that I have about it. So I think it works super well because the energy I have from it lasts for hours. I checked the ingredients and it does have caffeine, but unlike coffee, you don't get jittery or anxious from it, which is super nice. And usually with coffee, I get a boost of energy right away, and then my energy drops. With this, it actually lasts for hours, so it's super nice. And you should also keep in mind that you shouldn't have it super late during the day because from my experience last night, I was having a hard time falling asleep after having it in the afternoon. So just follow the instructions and have it early in the day, like it says, and you'll be energetic the whole day. Also, it's really good if you have indigestion from coffee because this will not give you that. It's also nice if you don't like to have breakfast because you're not gonna have your coffee with milk or sugar or cream. I really like the type of energy that it gives me. It's a very focused and not jittery, it's a calm kind of energy. So yeah, I'm super impressed with it. I think it's a great coffee alternative. If you're not a huge fan of coffee, or if you want to switch things up and alternate between the two, I really recommend it for taste and how it works. These are my thoughts about it. I recommend you try it and see for yourself if you love it. Bye!